If you're looking for a few minutes of uninterrupted relaxation, you're right where you need to be right now. This kind of meditation is something you can do anywhere and anytime you want. In your home, at the office, at nighttime before bed, or in the morning while drinking your coffee. Anytime you need to reset, let go of any stressful and distracting thoughts, using this technique as a simple way to find your inner peace. All you need to follow this Mandala meditation is a pencil, some pens and marker, a blank sheet of paper and an object with a circle shape, so you can draw the outline of a circle with it. If you're unfamiliar with a mandala, it's a circular drawing that builds out from inwards, adding layer upon layer into the mandala, while taking more and more of the page until you're satisfied with what you've created.